Technology is a vital part of our lives, but when gadgets malfunction, it can be disruptive and expensive to repair. Thankfully, many common issues with phones, laptops, and more can be fixed at home. Here's how you can save money and time with these DIY tech repair tips. Start with smartphone issues. If your touchscreen is unresponsive, clean it with a microfiber cloth, restart the phone, or update the software. For fast-draining batteries, close background apps, lower the brightness, or replace the battery. Cracked screens can be fixed with repair kits. Just follow online tutorials carefully. Moving to laptops, slow boot times can be fixed by disabling startup programs or upgrading to an SSD. Overheating laptops need their fans cleaned with compressed air or use a cooling pad for better airflow. If the screen flickers, check the cable connection, update display drivers, or adjust the refresh rate. Tablets often freeze or won't turn on. Charge them fully, reset with the power button, and clear storage to fix these issues. Frequent app crashes can be solved by clearing app cache, reinstalling the app, or updating the OS. Desktop computers might not start due to power issues. Check the power supply or reseat the RAM. No display? Test the monitor connection and inspect the graphics card. Random restarts can signal overheating or malware. Clean the CPU cooler and update drivers. Here are general tips. Invest in a quality toolkit. Always back up your data and document each step for reassembly. Most importantly, know when to seek professional help for complex problems. These simple DIY fixes empower you to handle tech repairs at home, saving money and keeping your devices running smoothly. Start small, and you'll build confidence with every successful repair.